Hey everyone, we are group number 5 and our major project for this year is this steering assembly that we have made. My name is Umang.
I am Saksham.
I am Sugyan Sahu. The main objective of the steering assembly was to obtain exact maneuvering characteristics, reduce weight of the steering assembly to increase the driver control. A drag and pinion steering system was used for simple design and assembly service.
Our main goal this year was to reduce driver effect and also the overall weight of the steering system. And to do that, we have increased the steering angle from 180 degrees to 270 degrees, decreased the module of the gear from 3 to 2, and also and also the caster angle was reduced. To reduce the weight of a steering assembly, we have used aluminum 6 series and 7 series in column, rack casing, clevis, and rack. Creation behind designing and manufacturing this steering system was that we could learn about designing, CAD modeling, and different manufacturing processes that are used in the industry.
This is the working of our steering system.